Welcome back to Machines Visit. If you're curious about the strongest, most dangerous, and most thrilling machines on the planet, and how they're built, then this video is made just for you. Fractum rock breaker. When the job is shattering giant rocks, recycling steel, slag, and molds, or pulverizing reinforced concrete, nothing beats the fractum rock breaker. Its drop-weight impact system delivers smart, dependable, highly efficient, safe, and budget-friendly performance. Perfect for mining and quarrying, it can smash boulders weighing up to 150 tons in a single blow. It excels with tough materials like bauxite, granite, and basalt. The harder the rock, the better it performs. In demolition work, it easily crushes concrete and aggregates, processing up to 40 cubic meters per hour on highways, factory floors, and vast open areas. Steel plants worldwide rely on it to recycle slag, molds, and scrap metal, remove skulls, break pig iron, and manage tundish residue. CV320 VLTU. Meet the CV320 VLTU, the monster that placed 13 massive piles for the Candelak B3 project in Antwerp. In only 4 days, this giant single-handedly lifted, positioned, and drove 35-meter-long, 2.9-meter-wide piles to maximum depth with perfect accuracy. Final driving was completed using a 500 kilojoules impact hammer. A crowd favorite, it works without any gripper or seabed template, making operations simpler and faster. Alpine snow buster. Born in the shadow of Europe's tallest peaks, this snow-clearing beast keeps railway lines open through glacier-heavy winters. This 76-ton steel giant took 9 months to perfect. Even with its massive weight, twin powerful engines push it to 100 kilometers per hour on rails. One engine drives the whole machine. The second spins the giant cutting blades. Thanks to this smart power split, it can clear 10,000 tons of snow in less than 60 minutes. FAM SR800P9 on South American job sites. The biggest wheel loader title belongs to the FAM SR800P9. This champion shifts an incredible 14,500 tons of gravel every hour, 4,000 tons more than the previous record holder. Yet it still crawls forward at 15 meters per minute without losing pace. Productivity soars thanks to its 25-meter-tall, 52-meter-long boom and the 16 buckets on its 19-meter rotating disc. Wagner log stacker. The latest Wagner 4x4 log stackers can hoist up to 160,000 pounds, 80 tons, and thrive in muddy, rough lumber yards. Every model features a rear oscillating axle and a cleverly placed center of gravity that stays behind the load for superb stability, even in tight turns. When the ground firms up, the rear axle can be locked or disengaged to save fuel and reduce tire wear. Extra perks include quicker lifting speeds, ground-level wet disc brakes with forced cooling, easy-access radiator compartments, and a smooth automatic transmission. Sapem 7000. The third largest semi-submersible crane ship on Earth, better known as Sapem 7000, can lift a mind-blowing 14,000 tons in a single go. Built as a versatile offshore platform installer, it can place enormous deck sections in one piece. It has also served as a floating hotel and workshop for hundreds of workers during major platform completions. Its huge size and semi-submersible hull let it stay steady and productive even in rough seas and stormy weather. Slag Taurus by KIRO. The Slag Taurus is a tough, trustworthy slag pot carrier with articulated steering and a unique patented safety setup. Perfect for tight, narrow plant roads thanks to its slim body. The special U-shaped frame gives the driver clear sight lines and allows lightning-fast cycles with short hydraulic movements. No problem even when pickup height is limited. Kiro multitasker, continued in the next part. If you send the remaining text, just paste it, and I'll rewrite the rest the same way. Biolo, Baki text Bejdu, Turent rewrite card dita hoon. Tractor collision fast. This multi-purpose device makes switch, track, bridge construction, and accident recovery, and similar jobs much easier. Its impressive capabilities allow it to handle loads from 60 to 3,000 metric tons, making precise and fast loading of the heaviest items possible. It saves huge amounts of time thanks to quick setup, high performance, and excellent track maneuverability. Vibratory soil compactor. This equipment was designed to repair fissures caused by soil compaction. Thanks to its unique vibratory mechanism, forces only act in the vertical direction. To prove it, they placed a glass of water nearby and applied 160 kilograms of compression force at 70 Hz. The video clearly shows the gadget's amazing precision. That's the end of today's list. Let us know in the comments what you think. We'd also love to hear your questions and suggestions. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Till next time, thank you for watching.